Welcome back to the classroom. Now, I want to leave you with another useful rule in troubleshooting, which is start with the most likely cause first. Now, I understand you're still learning a lot of the causes to be able to apply that here, but still, that one rule will make you better at solving common PC problems almost immediately. Now, that doesn't mean that the answer is always simple, and it doesn't mean that the first guess is always correct. But what it does mean is that your first check should usually be useful, low risk, and based again on what is most likely the cause. So check the cable before replacing the monitor. Check the monitor input before assuming the desktop is dead. Check the charger path or charger cord before replacing the battery. Check browser junk before assuming the whole machine is severely infected. And think about all the data that you may need to save before jumping straight into reinstalling Windows. And again, this is what makes troubleshooting feel calmer and smarter. You're not trying to be flashy, you're trying to be effective. A lot of bad repair decisions happen because someone starts with the biggest, scariest assumption instead of using the most useful check. So if you remember nothing else from this course, remember this. Start with the most likely cause first. That again will not solve every problem instantly, but it will at least put you on a better path. And that's exactly what this course is meant to do. Help you think more clearly about common PC problems.